We think of silence as the natural state of the world. But if you listen closely, if you build the right machines, you'll discover the planet is never quiet. Beneath our feet, through the oceans, and even in the upper atmosphere, Earth is filled with sound. Some of it we understand. Wind, quakes, waves. But a few have no clear source. They appear, echo across oceans, and fade without warning, as if the planet itself whispered something we weren't meant to hear. These are the sounds no one can explain. The Bloop, the U.S. Navy's hydrophones detect a sound deep in the South Pacific, a low, organic roar, so powerful it can be heard 5,000 kilometers away. They call it the Bloop. The recording doesn't match any known whale, ship, or geological event. It rises in pitch, like something alive, but it's far louder than any animal on Earth could produce. For years, theories range from secret submarines to Lovecraftian leviathans. Then scientists offer an explanation: the sound of icequakes, massive icebergs cracking apart in Antarctica. But even that doesn't satisfy everyone, because when they pinpointed the Bloop's origin, it came from a place on the map few had ever heard of, near the coordinates of H.P. Lovecraft's fictional city of R'lyeh. Coincidence? Maybe. But for a world craving mystery, it was enough to keep the Bloop alive. The hum across the globe, from Bristol to Taos, residents described the same thing: a low-frequency hum that never stops. It's not a sound you hear so much as one you feel, a deep vibration in your bones, your chest, your walls. It's been recorded in dozens of cities. Some describe it as an idling engine, others as distant thunder. Yet it persists even when power grids are off, even when the world is silent. Acoustic engineers have linked some cases to industrial noise, ocean resonance, even wind turbines. But in Taos, New Mexico, the most famous site, the sound remains untraceable. Theories range from electromagnetic interference to the Earth's own natural pulse. Whatever it is, it drives some residents mad, while others don't hear it at all. Perhaps the strangest part? The Taos hum is most often heard late at night, when even the desert winds fall silent, as if it waits for the quiet to announce itself. The Upsweep in 1991, oceanographers at NOAA detected a recurring sound pattern in the Pacific, an eerie, mechanical upsweep, like a chorus of underwater sirens. It repeats every spring and autumn, sometimes louder, sometimes faint. For decades, the source was unknown. Some said undersea volcanoes, others suggested hidden seismic faults, or something alive, moving in migrations we still don't understand. Even now, NOAA admits, the sound's origin is unknown, though it appears near volcanic ridges. The upsweep is still being recorded, still echoing through deep ocean microphones. Whatever's making it, it's still down there, somewhere beneath 3,000 meters of silence. The sky sounds from Canada to Ukraine. People have filmed metallic roars shaking the air, a deep, grinding sound, like a trumpet played by the wind. The videos go viral. Streets full of people stare upward. Pets panic. Windows tremble. Scientists call it sky acoustics, rare cases where atmospheric layers trap sound and reflect it across huge distances. But some clips show perfectly still skies, no wind, no storms, just a single, mournful noise that fades as suddenly as it began. The Bible called it a sign. The internet called it fake. But microphones called it real. Even the calmest sky can sometimes speak. The 52 Hz whale. In the late 1980s, military hydrophones caught a lonely, repetitive call across the Pacific. One single whale, calling at a frequency no other species uses. 52 Hz. Too high for blue whales, too low for fin whales. Every year, it migrates, alone, calling unanswered. Scientists have tracked it for decades. They've never seen it, only heard it. Some say it's a hybrid species. Others call it the loneliest whale in the world. But maybe it isn't lonely at all. Maybe it's a reminder that even in an ocean full of sound, some voices are meant to stand apart. We live surrounded by signals we barely register. The hum of electricity, the rhythm of tides, the low roll of tectonic plates shifting beneath us. Our planet is constantly speaking, and we're only beginning to listen. The bloop, the hum, the upsweep, the sky trumpets. Maybe they're natural. Maybe they're echoes of something older, deeper, still resonating through the world's bones. In the end, the question isn't what these sounds are. It's why, after all our progress, they still make us stop and listen. Because sometimes, mystery doesn't hide in the shadows. Sometimes, it hums right beneath our feet.